Yesterday, of course, was a very important day, and this is pertaining to Bengaluru, where the German Chancellor paid a visit. He attended a couple of meetings, and interestingly, during that time, to receive the German Chancellor was just the Industries Minister, along with a few bureaucrats. Now, the BJP, of course, has taken objection to this. The reason being that the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister weren't there to receive the German Chancellor. Instead, they were there on the tarmac where Rahul Gandhi was transiting through Karnataka, through the Mysuru airport, to head to another event in Wayanad. Now, the question that the BJP is saying, is Rahul Gandhi's aspirations to retain the position of Chief Minister or to become the Chief Minister more important than possible investment opportunities from Germany, where they could have in fact met the Chancellor of Germany, could have spoken to him and, looked at the betterment of Bengaluru. The BJP is making an all-out charge that the High Command of the Congress party is priority for the state leaders instead of Bengaluru. Let's listen to some of the reactions that are coming in.
ಜರ್ಮನಿಯ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಜರ್ಮನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಹಬ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಆ ದೇಶ. ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ದೇಶದ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಇವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಕಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಹೋಗಿ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬರುವಂತ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ನೀಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
The German consular, industry minister was there, isn't it? Industry minister M.B. Patil has gone to receive him. When the original plan, it was not there. Like CM was had planned to go to Mysore anyway. So you see, industry minister is received him. Why are they making a fuss out of it? No, the industry minister has received him. He's there in dialogue. You see, definitely Karnataka is the destination Germany is looking for. Because I had also visited Germany, and definitely that the ecosystem in Karnataka is favorable to Germany. So definitely this will not be a drawback or something. They don't have better things to say, I think.
So the entire controversy, of course, stems from the fact that the meeting happened with Rahul Gandhi. But the meeting, of course, for Mr. D.K. Shivakumar and Mr. Siddaramaiah is important to really set aside all the, speculation about a change of leadership, the possibility of a cabinet reshuffle. So my colleague Ritu is also with us. Ritu, we've spoken about the BJP's charge that, the German Chancellor was ignored, Rahul Gandhi was given priority. But while this conversation happened with Rahul Gandhi, was there any sort of outcome from this, especially pertaining to the leadership issue?
Well, of course, we've been seeing how that the CM Rao here in the state of Karnataka has been on for quite a long time now. Looks like there's no solution for both the leaders, whether it's Siddaramaiah or for that matter D.K. Shivakumar. Wherein you see Rahul Gandhi when he was, of course, in Mysuru while he was on his way to Tamil Nadu that way. We did see how that both these leaders, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah as well as the Deputy CM D.K. Shivakumar, found a time to meet out Rahul Gandhi separately. We saw first that, Rahul Gandhi meeting D.K. Shivakumar right in the Mysuru, and then we had Chief Minister Siddaramaiah also. Now, of course, both the leaders might be coming up on camera to state that there was no political discussion that were basically held with Rahul Gandhi, but we do understand from the leaders within the Congress itself, however, that you see, of course, Rahul Gandhi has asked both the leaders to come and meet him in Delhi. Now, needs to be seen, because what we are also understanding that the exact date has not been fixed, but however, needs to be seen, because both these leaders remain to be adamant that there should be an end that needs to be put to this whole row. Listening to what the leaders had to say.
ನಾನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಲೀಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್, ಅವರು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ. ನಾವು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ನಾವು ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವೇನೋ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದ ನೀವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟಿವಿಗಿರುವಂಥ ಇದನ್ನ ಗೌರವನ ನೀವು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಹೊರತು ಯಾವ ಸಂದೇಶನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನರೇಗಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿಸಿದೀವಿ. ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ
As a PCC president, he has spoken to Rahul Gandhi ji about the organization. As a CM, you see, naturally, CM will always interact with Rahul Gandhi because, like, there are many issues which need to be taken at the Government of India level. He is a leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, and Parliament session is coming now. So many pending issues of the Government of Karnataka are there. With various things like the central government imposing so much this thing on the state and not keeping up its promises. So those issues need to be addressed in the parliament, isn't it? So whom we should like. You see, party organization issues, naturally the PCC president will speak to him, isn't it?